And welcome back. So the upcoming episode of Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu brings an emotional and dramatic twist as Garima finds herself in serious legal trouble. After failing to prove that she is an adult, both Garima and Krish are taken to the police station for questioning. Scared and helpless, they struggle to convince the authorities of the truth. Just when the situation seems to be slipping out of control, Vaishnavi steps forward to help. She quickly gathers the required document and presents the necessary proof to the police. Thanks to her timely intervention, Garima is finally released, avoiding a much bigger crisis. Vaishnavi doesn't stop there. Refusing to let Garima face the ordeal alone, she brings her home back and offers her full support during this difficult time. Her kindness and determination once again prove that she will go to any extent to protect her family. However, Vaishnavi's decision is unlikely to be welcomed by everyone. While Garima is relieved to return home safely, her arrival is expected to spark fresh disagreements and emotional confrontation within the family, setting the stage for more intense drama in the episodes ahead. The upcoming episode promises emotional moments, family conflicts, and unexpected twists as Vaishnavi's courageous decision changes the course of everyone's life. Thank you for watching. Bye.